In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play videos in Google Meet. This can be a useful skill if you're presenting material in a meeting or simply want to share some visual content with your participants. So let's dive right in and make this process as easy and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to start by going to Google Meet. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to meet.google.com. This is your starting point. If you haven't already signed in, make sure to do so with your Google account to access all your meeting features. Next, once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll need to click on New Meeting. This button is typically located in a prominent place on the homepage, so go ahead and select that. Doing this will provide you with a few options for starting your meeting, so let's explore those quickly. Select the option to start an instant meeting. This is designed to create a meeting on the spot without having to schedule one in advance. It is particularly helpful for impromptu discussions or when you need to begin your meeting immediately. After your meeting window opens, it's time to focus on sharing your video. Look towards the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the Present Now button. Click on this to begin the screen sharing process. When you hit Present Now, you'll be given several options for what you can share. To ensure your video plays smoothly, select the option that best suits your needs based on where your video is located. Whether it's directly from your computer's files or an open browser tab, choose the one that contains the video you want to share. Once you've selected the appropriate option, just confirm your choice. The last step involves actually hitting the Share button. This confirms your selection, and your chosen video will now be broadcast to everyone in your Google Meet session. It might be handy to give your participants a brief heads up or countdown before you hit play, so they're ready to watch with you. Remember, while your video is playing, try to monitor your engagement with the group, either by watching their feedback or listening to any comments that might come up. Keeping a communication channel open is key during virtual meetings, and just like that, you're sharing your video within Google Meet. It's a seamless way to enhance your virtual interactions and presentations. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to bring video content into your Google Meet sessions. I hope this guide helps make your virtual meetings more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy video sharing.